When it comes to automated dropshipping, two names often come up, SaleHoo and Oberlo. But which one is really the best for automating your business? In this video, we'll break down their features, pros, cons, and help you figure out which software actually delivers when it comes to setting up a dropshipping store with minimal effort. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be recommending an alternative you might want to consider. Let's start with SaleHoo. SaleHoo is a directory that provides access to verified suppliers. If you're looking for reliable suppliers for your dropshipping business, SaleHoo does the job. You get access to thousands of suppliers and a secure database of products to sell. However, there's a catch. It's not exactly an automation tool. It helps you find suppliers, but once you've got them, you still need to manually set up and manage your dropshipping store. For beginners, this might seem a little overwhelming since you're expected to do a lot more work to automate the process. Next thing, let's talk about Oberlo. Oberlo is an app designed specifically for Shopify users, and it's one of the most popular dropshipping tools out there. The big draw here is that Oberlo fully automates the dropshipping process. You can find products, import them into your Shopify store, and even automate order fulfillment. This makes it a more streamlined experience, especially for people who want to set up their store quickly. However, it comes with a price. Oberlo works best for those who are already using Shopify, and the range of suppliers isn't as broad as SaleHoo's. Now, let's look at the pricing. SaleHoo is a one-time fee of about $67, which gives you lifetime access to their supplier directory. That's a good deal if you plan on running your dropshipping business long-term. However, the ongoing cost of running a store and managing orders still falls on you, which might require additional investments in apps or automation software. Oberlo, on the other hand, has a free plan, but to really unlock the full automation benefits, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which can cost anywhere from $29.90 to $79.90 a month. That can add up fast, especially if you're just starting out. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. SaleHoo is simple to navigate once you get used to it, but it can be a bit tedious to manually import products, process orders, and manage everything on your own. Oberlo, on the other hand, was designed with ease of use in mind. The app integrates directly with Shopify, which means you can import products with a few clicks, set pricing rules, and automate order fulfillment. But the catch is that you need to be on Shopify to use it. If you're not using Shopify, you're out of luck. Now, let's talk about customer support. SaleHoo has a reputation for solid customer service. You get access to their support team through live chat or email, and there's a ton of educational material to help you get started. Oberlo's customer support is also decent, but tends to be slower at times, especially if you're on the free plan. So, when it comes down to it, which is better? If you're just starting out and want something simple and automated, Oberlo might be your best bet, assuming you're using Shopify. It's perfect for a set-it-and-forget-it approach to dropshipping. But if you need a wide variety of suppliers and don't mind putting in a little extra work to make your store run smoothly, SaleHoo can definitely help you build a solid foundation. That said, after trying both of these options myself, I found a better alternative. If you're looking for a more robust and easier-to-use solution to automate your dropshipping business and scale fast, you might want to check out the software linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. This software might just be the missing piece you need to take your business to the next level. So, while both SaleHoo and Oberlo are solid choices for automated dropshipping, if you want something that beats both in terms of simplicity, automation, and ease of use, don't miss out on that link in the description.